Question 29 says find the shortest distance from the origin to the line 4x plus 3y is equals to 60. Now we can see that the straight line has to be perpendicular to the line 4x plus 3y is equals to 60. But before we go that far, let's linearize our function such that we have 3y is equals to minus 4x plus 60. You can then use this function to solve for the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Once you have those values, you can then find the hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. So 20 squared plus 15 squared will give us 25. If you don't know the values of these squared, you are going to have to use the long multiplication method and get your answers that way. Then this will be 25 units. Then in order to find h, which is the height, we're going to use a sneaky method where we calculate the area of this triangle two different ways. So we're going to calculate the area of the triangle using this as our base initially, and then we're going to use this one as our base. Remember that for calculating the area of a triangle, you just have to use two sides that are perpendicular to each other. So over here we also have a 90-degree angle. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to start with this one as my base. If this is my base, then my height for this triangle would be h. Therefore I'm going to have half of the base, which I've calculated to be 25 units, multiplied by h is equal to a half, where I'm using this as my base, times 15 multiplied by 20 as my height. Then we can solve for h, multiply both sides by 2, and then you can have 15 times 20 over 25, and this will give us a value of 12 units. Therefore C is equals to 12.